Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at that all-new Kawasaki RIDGE Limited. We've done some accessories on this one. Going to show you a little bit about what we've done, but we are taking this baby out today. We're going to go up in the nasty, silty mountain dirt and see how well it does inside the cab. On this model, it does come with the Warren winch on it, the upper brush guards. We've added the Ryko Street Legal kit on it. We've added the front and rear A-arm guards from Kawasaki. We've got Kawasaki wheels. This is a familiar wheel for some of you Kawasaki fans. What have you seen that wheel on? Here's a hint, those tires are 31s. We've got it tinted. We've got the rear cargo box. This model does come with the cameras, the bumper. We've got those lower A-arm guards on there. With this tire and wheel setup, we did put an 1.5-inch wheel spacer on the rear. Just the rear. We've got those Kawasaki side mirrors. A sharp looking machine. And of course on the inside, it's nice and cool in here. I'm taking my 3-year-old with, so we've got the UTVMA tiny child seat in there. Comes with the rear view, comes with the sound system, comes with the navigation, and of course, like I mentioned, heat and AC. And it's feeling good in there. Interior cab lighting, power windows. Let's go try it out. We'll give you some reports along the way. A couple of the big things I'm trying to solve for you guys or answer for you guys is the cab as sealed as they say, and how well does the cargo box keep the dust out. It's a huge cargo box, got a nice seal on it. I don't anticipate any issues with the cab or the cargo box, but let's find out for sure. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. It is about 95 degrees today. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be super dusty up on the mountain. A lot of people coming off the mountain, campers everywhere. Love that beautiful flag. If you have any questions about the Kawasaki RIDGE, post those up in the comments below and I'll get all of those answered for you. Be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day, everybody.